Elitech WJL-6000 refrigerant leak detector adopts a corona refrigerant sensor. Open the battery cover. Install 4 AAA alkaline batteries and reinstall the cover. Turn on the detector. It takes no more than 6 seconds to warm up until it beeps. The detector has 7 adjustable sensitivities. You can adjust the sensitivity to your needs. When a leak is detected, a siren will be sounded with a rate quite different from the previous beep sound, and the indicator lights will flash increasingly. After use, turn the knob counterclockwise to turn off. Leaking areas are usually covered with contaminants such as compressor oil or dirt. Be careful to keep these contaminants away from the sensor tip. Keep the sensor tip away from touching any moisture or other solvent to avoid false alarm.